Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm talking about Scrivener 3 for Windows horizontal line function, specifically in eBooks. You'll find this function under the Insert menu, and you'll see there are three different options. I'm not going to talk about signature line, because you'd only use that on a paper document, and paper books probably won't be much of an issue with any of these functions. However, eBooks are a completely different beast. Let's put a centered line and a page spanning line into the editor and compile the document to see what we get. Not quite what you'd expected? You thought they'd automatically adjust? So did I, until I looked more closely. You need to use Show Invisibles to see this, which you can find under View and Text Editing. Yes, the centered line is some kind of underlined invisible character. In the document I just created, the line fills the width of the page, but I tried to use it before when creating a proper book and found it to wrap over two lines. And the page spanning line is achieved by using a tab, which creates, well, basically a dash. So, my recommendation? I wouldn't try using either of these in an ebook, but if you really want to, a centered line is your best bet. But I'd make it much shorter, just in case it wraps around. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.